Hi, this is Saranam from Akshaya Commodities. Today we are going to see the technical levels for all the commodities. To start with the international gold levels. Prices yesterday tested the new lows of $12.10 as we updated earlier in our YouTube presentations. The prices could test the psychological level of $1,200 levels, and yesterday it has a bounce again to $1,225. We can expect the prices to consolidate around these lower levels from $1,200 to $1,230 for some time. We have to see on the weekly basis. Again, we can expect the prices selling could come around $1,230 to $1,240 levels to break its psychological support levels of $1,200 to $1,180. Whereas MCX is concerned, yesterday it went up sharply after testing its new low around 26,400 levels. Went up very sharply around 26,900. Currently the prices is trading at the strong resistance of 27,000 levels. Gold prices in MCX is holding due to the depreciation in INR prices. So we have to see these gold prices on weekly levels. Weekly levels, after that some 3 days decline, it went up this week. We can expect prices on an intraday basis to test 27,100 and trade around these levels on a weekly levels, and we can expect selling possible around 29,100 to 200 levels again for a target of 26,600 to 500 levels. Whereas silver is lacking momentum with gold levels. Silver is highly trading range bound between that 17.3 to 17.5 levels. Overall, we can expect prices to trade sideways. And if you see the MCX prices not dropping that much, the prices this week, whole week, the prices was trading around that 39,000 to 39,500 levels. Mild positive can be seen above 39,000 levels. You see on weekly basis, the levels of 39,000 and 39,500 levels is the very strong support levels. So we can expect prices selling again could come from 40,000 levels also. So overall the trend is looking weak. Sell on rise is the strategy as of now. Well, in base metals, if with copper, for the last 4 days we have seen the prices is trading between that 413 levels to 417 to 418 levels. Last 2 days the prices is trading in a positive note, and currently the prices trading above that strong levels of 418. So short term we can expect prices to test 420 to 422 levels. Overall, if you see on a weekly basis, the prices just bounced sharply from the lower levels, and still we maintained 415 levels as a very strong support level. Overall, short term it looks positive for copper. And nickel, after a sharp decline, the prices bounced from last 2 to 3 days, which sideways moves. The prices bounced from 1025 levels mark to trade around 1060. For the last 1 or 2 days the prices is taking resistance around the 1060 to 1065 levels. So short term bounce can be seen about 1065 to test its resistance of 1080 to 1090 levels. But overall on a weekly basis, nickel remains weak on a close below 1070 again to test its support on the previous lows of 1020 to 1000 levels. Lead is trading highly range bound. Last 5 to 6 days the prices just got around that level of 126 to 127 levels. Currently the prices is trading mild above 127 levels in support with INR prices. So overall we can expect prices to trade choppy and highly range bound between these 2 rupees levels for from 126 to maximum of 128 levels. Whereas zinc is concerned is slightly trading mild positive than lead prices. For the past 3 to 4 days, the prices just continuing its uptrend from 136, nearly testing its resistance around 140. So we can expect prices to test and take resistance around 140 to 141 levels. And aluminium, this week there is no momentum seen in prices. Overall, for the last 4 to 5 days, we can see the prices is trading tight between the 118.20 to 119 levels. So we still expect the prices to trade around the 80 paise levels. Maybe positiveness could come above 119 levels to test 120 to 121 levels. Overall, the price is consolidating at the lower levels. You see energy sectors, crude oil is still trading at that 5600 to the maximum levels of resistance at 5800 levels. Yesterday prices went up sharply from 5650, managed to trade around 5700, above the 5700 level. Still today also the prices is holding strongly above the 5700 levels. So today we may expect the prices to test 5750 to 5800 levels. Overall the prices is for short term looks positive. Natural gas prices went up sharply from 236 to yesterday testing its resistance of 248 levels. And today also we can currently the prices is trading around 248, so we can expect prices to test 250 to 251 and to the maximum of 254 levels on the upside. Overall, the crude oil and natural gas for short term looks positive. And all the base metals is holding positive as INR is depreciated sharply from 60.8, currently trading around 61.6 levels, which is the long term support. We can see the prices at 61.7 looks the long term support, and more weakness can be seen below 61.7 to test 62 to 63 levels. And news from US, today we have final GDP news at 6 o'clock, which is looks important news which could decide the next move for dollar as well as the bullions and all the commodities. And we have a final GDP price index at the same time at 6 p.m. and at 7:25 p.m. we have revised consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So these could give more clarifications in the evening session. That's all from today. For more, visit our website akshayaship.com. Thank you.